Changing the Argyle NAs. This is the 2025 version. So removing the standard exhaust to replace the Summerlands Chuffer. So this is the Summerlands Chuffer. Very easy one. Just remember this is for the 2025 model. So not the older version. This is the older version. It uses a different chuffer. Comes with instructions. I've already replaced one already today, as you can tell. The easiest way I know is cut yourself a little bit of dowel. This is, of course, in the chimney. You turn it in and undo it. So literally the dowel just goes down. I put a cut in the dowel and it just goes on it. And then you literally just twirl. This is a brand new locomotive, has not been run yet. You twirl it and that's it. That's undone. Now you could probably get it so you could glue it and pull it out that way, but what I do is just roll the engine over, always so the smoke box goes down so you don't damage it. You just push it up a touch and it should come out. That's the original pipe there. Push it up and there it is there. Straight out it comes. To install it is back in, and this is the only hard part to it, is you have to get it back into its receiver here. So literally just like that, and then screw it in. So there you go, it's just starting on its thread, and then all you do is roll the Loco back up. You can see it's still loose, and screw it in till it goes tight. Don't be over firm, and that's it there. And that's the job done. New chuffer installed. Next, remote control. So these are a beautiful piece of work from Summerlands Chuffers. I bought these two chuffers from Michael and Leslie at Argyle. That is the SCA C59, which is for the straight chimney one. A few people will be getting a tapered chimney. That will need a different variant, and from memory it was SCA C60 from memory, but I don't have a tapered funnel. So if you've got a tapered funnel, make sure you get the one for the tapered funnel. If you've got the old locomotives, you will need a different chuffer. They are a little bit harder to fit. The chuffers are well worth the money, much better sound, and also even though these trains will have cylinder drain cocks, whereas the old ones don't, it will mean that you actually don't need your drain cocks because no of the crap flies out anymore. It gets forced downwards. So a very good thing for these locomotives.